Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today I am here to in front of you people to motivate you. But I don't know to motivate to you because of many of the people have different taste. That means some of learning BCom or BA English or BCA like that many more. In this special occasion, I would like to share something about we are learning on different subject in the knowledge on this world. But we are all common in single. That means we are all studying in same way by wearing this white dress. Inshallah, with the grace of Allah Ta'ala, I am here in front of you. One thing, first of all, I will ask with you, how many students are here without forcement of your parents that take declaration in self to come to study in this spiritual? Can you say? How many is there? So many is there. But inshallah, I think will you students, will you people will complete in this field or left in center of or in middle of this field? Will you complete? Can't hear. Will you complete? Inshallah. Okay, I will say something about in my life incident. I started to learn in this spiritual study in the time of 8th standard. After that, studying 8th standard and 9th standard, I left this field and went to home to join with village friends and to make a lifestyle of village peoples. And by living with them, I become known with them, mingling with them. I will spoil my life because only one is there in my village at this age now also studying. Other than my friends, all are now at working. They all somehow studied till degree or somehow studied up to secondary and senior secondary. Alhamdulillah. Again, by looking of their lives, I have got again second chance to join this study, this spiritual study. I am asking you, without parents, have you come to this institution or any other institution to an admission? Is there anyone? No. There will be not there because I came to this institution in single. There was no parents because parents are busy or got busy in something their works. After the completion of SSLC, I came to this institution and got an admission. Alhamdulillah, after that my life was changed. There is many power in this field. You can test with many people that have completed on this field. For example, there will be a myth. By studying of this study, there will be a salary less under the 10,000 by teaching on madrasa or any other teaching field. But it's a wrong statement because we have the support of God. I am saying that means if we work on teaching at madrasa means we will get only 10,000, but there will be a blessing on that salary. By working on many different field, by getting a many 60,000 or 70,000 salary, there will be a no blessing, because like that on for that high paid salary there will be a high expense on their homes. You can check one of our judges, Sakaf Ustad. He also an completed person on this field. You can ask about his life. Inshallah, if I think without on that decision I have ever make means, now I will be a head of drug master in our village. Sure. Because my village is moving on that field. Many of the friends are using drugs. I can't make a revolution on my village because I am only single. Inshallah, may the God will grace to change their life. After I will say one of the golden chance I have got on this field. That means I got the Muslims are very interesting the thing. That means before our death we want to go to Umrah or Hajj, right? By standing on this field, Alhamdulillah, I have got great chance to make an Umrah without any fear, totally, absolutely by free. If I am not studying on this way, I can't or never achieve an Umrah. If any one person will give 1 lakh, you can do anything with 1 lakh offer. That means I could take on new bike or new mobile, like that. I will never choose I want to do Umrah like that if I am not on this field, okay? Alhamdulillah, on this my field, I have got that great opportunity. I wish you also should complete on this field. Inshallah, Allah Ta'ala be showered His blessing to your studies. Now I am finally asking, will you people complete this field? Will you? Inshallah. I conclude here. Assalamu alaikum.